Hi, in the AI generative images, one of the tools that I've been trying to get my hands on is Adobe Firefly. It's out today, it's in beta, and so I'm going to create a video about it. There are a couple of tools which they want you to focus on, and there are two tools which are readily available. The text to image, which is pretty much going to be a competitive tool to DAL-E by OpenAI. And then this looks interesting, the text effects, where you provide the text, describe how the text should look like, and Adobe Firefly engine is going to render that text for you. And then recolor vector, then there are other tools which are which are going to be released down the road. So we'll go ahead and explore the text to image first of all. So I'm going to provide a prompt: kites flying in the sky with twilight in the background over the clouds, and let's see how precise this goes. So over here you can see that you can select different aspect ratios, you can select different content type. Right now we have arts, this is good. So twilight is over the clouds, and you can have choose different styles, and you can even play around with the color, lighting, and composition. So I'll go ahead and show you how the results look like. This is pretty neat, but what if I want a realistic image? So I'll select a photo realistic image. Pretty neat, I would say. This looks good. So I'll leave it on to you to play around with the tool, and we'll go ahead and explore the other tool, which is about text effects. And I think this is going to be a great tool for individuals to create logos. So for example, I want to create a pizza shop, pizza on wheels, and let's provide the input as pizza itself. Right, so you can play around with the tool. Let's try a different prompt: fire and burning coals, and let's see what it does. Of course, there are different styles, that pre-available style that you can try, different text styles, and simultaneously you can even choose a different color over here. And this looks neat. I'll leave it on to you to play around with the tool, but the AI generative images landscape gets further competitive because Adobe has a big name, and I believe they will live to that their name.